Alright, we got ourselves a ARE TW series. This is a new unit. This is a new unit that we misordered for a customer. It's been here a few years. It's fits the 09 to 14 F-150 with a 6.5 foot bed. This unit's over $2,000 new. We've marked it down just because we've had it here for a while. There's really nothing wrong with it. A little bit of damage just from it being moved around here at the lot. But I mean, there's no scratches. The windows are all new. This is a new cap. It's never been installed on a truck. It was on the rack. Somebody dropped the clamp from the one above it and nicked it right there. So there's a nick right here on the passenger side. It's got a picture window in the front. There's no damage on this on the front side. It's got the sliding windows in the side here. I think there's a nick right there, and there's one on the roof up there that you can't see. But I mean, that was it. It's just from being moved into a rack, and somebody just didn't know what they were doing when they put it in the rack. Sliding windows in the side. This thing's perfect other than what I just showed you. T-handles, single T-handle in the back. Locking. There's nothing wrong with it because it's, like I said, it's brand new inside here, so screens are good shape. No holes in the screens. Picture window looks good. Sliding window on the side. This screen's perfect. It's 09 to 14 F-150. We've discounted this thing about 500 bucks off of new. 6.5 foot bed. This is gray. Forget, you know what? Let's run back in here and look what color this thing is. Oh, it's this way. UJ Sterling Gray.